In this video I will show you how you can buy Dogecoin on Binance. It's really fast and easy, and the first step what you need to do here is you need to log into your Binance account. So if you don't have a Binance account, I will leave the link in the description below so you can register completely for free. And yeah, so first you need to be logged in, and then you need to probably you will see on the top left corner buy crypto here, and as you can see here the first tab is pay with, and you can select the currency. So it can be British pound, it can be euro, or it can be USD, and basically there is every currency in the world that you can basically select. And then you need to deposit your money through bank deposit, credit or debit card, or P2P trading, cash balance, and more. So what you need to do here is you need to get money on Binance through these methods. And when you have money, then you need to hover your mouse on wallet, and then on fiat and spot, press on it. You will be redirected to another page, and here we need to wait for a few seconds, but as you can see you will see your balance in Bitcoin, but basically here it will be your money here that you deposit. All right, and then you need to your USD or other currency convert to Tether. Right, so you need to find this Tether USDT, and then press buy. Right, and then as you can see here you will be redirected to another page, and then you need to basically enter amount of money that you want to change it to Tether. So as you can see, for example, the currency is British pound. So let's say I got on my account 100 pounds. So you can see here it will be 137 USDT, and you need to then press buy USDT. And then when you have USDT, you need to go to trade, then convert, and then enter USDT amount here. As you can see here it was 137, and then change it to Dogecoin here, and then you need to just basically preview conversion, and you can get, as you can see, for me it's an inefficient balance because there is no money, but basically you will get this amount on Doge, and then you basically can trade it. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.